Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So there's a lot of noise going around here, I'm sorry for that. There's a lot of construction going on, so bear with me. So today's episode at this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. And basically what this is a wireless headphone, as you can see right here. And you guys can see the brand right there. This is the newest one right here, the Quiet Comfort 35-2. So it does have the Bose AR technology in here. So for this one, it has some brand new features in here, as you can see. So it still has the noise cancellation technology on this product. Obviously, it still has the premium sound to it. And since it's a Quiet Comfort headphone, that means it's gonna be really comfortable, just like the older previous version as well. Some of the new features that's on the product is the fact that it has a smart assistant on here. So if you guys want to use Amazon Alexa, or if you guys want to use Google Assistant, it has that option on here. Once you guys pair it or connect it to the app, then you guys can use that option by clicking the action button on the headphone itself. And in terms of the battery life on this product, it lasts 20 hours on here if you guys use it wirelessly. But if you guys use the cable or wire to connect it, you guys can get up to 40 hours on here. So first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes out the package first. So when you guys look like, so it tells you guys how to connect it. You guys want to download the Bose Connect app, and that's been paired on the actual device by turning on like that. And then right here we have the actual headphone itself with the case. And on the bottom, they do have a little warranty card or warranty guide right here. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. Now let's take a look at the actual product itself. So right here, we have the case itself. It looks amazing and feels amazing. They have the logo right there. They have a back part right here. Then put stuff in here if you guys want to. And then they have this little part right here. You can hook it onto your carabiner or something if you guys want to. And then here's the zipper that you can use to open up the case itself. But I definitely love the material that's on the case itself. It feels really nice, especially the soft part or silken part right here. But let's open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys the aux cable right here that you can use. And I believe this is a cable or the USB cable to actually plug it in to charge the product. But let's open up. So they provide you guys the USB to micro USB cable to charge up the product right here. So you guys can use this, or you guys can use your own one. And right there we have the actual headphone itself. And I love how they have this slot right here, so you can put stuff in here if you guys want to. If let's take a look right here, it looks brand new and well protected, which is pretty awesome with them. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's take it out and try it on and see how it fits. Alright, so here's the headphone right here. They have the logo right there, feels really, really nice and high quality. This part on top feels really nice as well, really comfortable. Definitely really stretchy, as you can see. Padding of the earpiece feels really nice and really soft and comfortable. On this side, you can see all the buttons right there. So right here is the actual button to activate like your smart assist, the volume, lower the volume, answering or rejecting calls. And on this side, you can see the button to activate it. So I just push this button to activate the product itself. And if you guys want to extend it, you guys can extend it on. So you guys know which side is right and left, which is pretty cool. And I love how you guys can bend or rotate the actual earpiece itself, which is pretty cool. So it's definitely really portable and really flexible and everything, which is pretty awesome. So let's try it on first to see what it looks like and how it feels. Alright, so when you guys put it on, this is basically what it looks like. It looks amazing and feels amazing. I don't even have the active noise cancellation or tighter fit on this one compared to the older one, which is pretty cool. So you guys get a lot more of that noise cancellation technology or option on here, which is pretty cool. But definitely super comfortable. I feel like if I compare this to any other headphone that I tried, this one probably one of the most comfortable ones so far. And if you guys look at the design of it, it looks very simple. They have other colors as well, but I got the black one. They have, I guess, like a silver one and some kind of like gold one, but I like the black one because it's very simple. So let's activate this first and try out the audio and all the touch controls on here and see how it works. So all I need to do right here is push this button right here to activate it. Alright, so once you guys pair it on, it actually turns off the noise cancellation instantly. What's really cool about the new one is the fact that you guys have the option to turn off or turn on the active noise cancellation or turn it high, medium, and low. The old one you couldn't do that, there was no option to do that. But definitely after turning on the product itself and have the noise cancellation on, you definitely get like a really, really strong noise cancellation. Like with all the construction and drilling going on at the back, it's not as noticeable when I have this on and I don't have the music on yet. But it definitely cancels out a lot of unwanted noise. So I can definitely see how this is really useful, especially when you guys are traveling on a patrol, like the noise cancellation and everything else. So I already have it connected, but let me show you guys what the app looks like. So this is basically what the app looks like once you guys finish downloading and comparing it. So you can click on the Bluetooth option to like pair multiple devices if you guys want to, or just pair one. You guys have the option to do music share if you guys want to right there. And then right here is the noise cancellation option, so you can turn it high, low, or off. So if you guys have the Quiet Comfort one, it doesn't have that option. And then take a look right here on the 60. That's the battery percentage, so it's 60% right now. And when we go onto the setting page right here, you can see this is basically everything that's on the setting page. So you can adjust the name, the connection, the product tour, music share option, noise cancellation, action button. So when you guys go to the action buttons section right here, you guys can change either using Alexa, you guys want to use Google Assistant, or noise cancellation option. So if you guys use noise cancellation option, you guys can press on it to change the high, low, or off option for the active noise cancellation. And what I really like about this brand new product is the fact that for this product, it doesn't have like a user manual included in the actual packaging itself. So that way it's more eco-friendly because they have the user manual online on the actual setting page. So you can see right there, they have the user manual right there. So you can just look it up on there. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's try out all the button controls first, and then we're going to do a quick audio test in terms of the microphone on here and see how that performs. Alright, so I got my song right here. Let's try out the button controls. Alright, so the play and pause is pretty easy. Just press that middle button to play and pause the music. Let's try increasing and lower the volume. Alright, so play and pause button works, volume up and volume down button works as well. Now let's try the forward and rewind button as well and see how those work. Alright, so the forward and rewind button works as well. So the way how you guys skip the song, go back to the previous song is by pressing the play button 2 times or 3 times. 2 times go to the next song and 3 times go back. And then if you guys want to use like the noise cancellation option or the Alexa option, you guys can use the action button on the back side right here. So right now I have it connected to Alexa, so we'll try it out. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Alright, so it does work, you guys can see. Pretty easy to use. All you guys need to do is press it 1 time to activate it. And if you guys don't want to use the Alexa option, you guys want to use like the noise cancellation option that I mentioned, you guys can go to the setting page and change it. So the action button option right here, so you guys click on the noise cancellation option right here on top. So now you guys can change the noise cancellation option on here. Alright, so watch what happens. So now it's on low, and now it's off, and it's high. So it's definitely really cool how it has that new feature on here where you can control either Alexa, or you can use it to control like the noise cancellation to turn it high, low, or off. But definitely from testing the audio and the bass on here, it's actually really good. I think out of all the headphones I've tried so far, this is probably one of the best ones so far. And the fact that it's so comfortable makes it that much more worth it. This one is definitely a lot better, like I mentioned, comparing to the older version because it doesn't have as much functionality to like pair with Alexa. Or if you guys want to control like the noise cancellation to turn it high, off, or low, you have to do that on the newest one right here. But now let me try out the audio on here and see how well the microphone is. Alright, so basically what you guys are hearing from right now is the actual audio from the headphone itself. Let's see what it sounds like. Alright, so now that you guys heard the actual test from the actual microphone itself, you guys can definitely hear how clear the audio is. It's actually really clear. Like, I think out of all the headphones I've tried so far, that's literally the most clear audio or microphone test that I've done so far from a headphone. You definitely can hear how clear it is, but also the fact that how it has like that noise cancellation technology on the microphones that you don't hear the surrounding as much, and only just the audio, which is pretty amazing. So now let me actually go test this out in terms of the charging test to show you guys how to actually charge it and how you guys know when it's charging. And we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the headphone right here. Let's plug it in to show you guys how to know when it's charging. So you guys want to look for this part right here. Plug it in, and you can see the light right there blinking. So that's how you guys know when it's charging. So you can see that this is the micro USB slot to plug it in to charge it right here. And then they have an aux cord right here if you guys want to use that to plug it in right there. And then the action button right here, volume up and volume down, answer and play and pause button right here, which is also the forward and this rewind button right here as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself and how to actually use the product. You guys can see that everything works really well. It's definitely really easy to use and everything about it is perfect. So now that we do a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for everything that I mentioned earlier, then this is definitely worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan show day we have